Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme 12 Pro and let me show you how to use secret codes. First, open your phone dialer, then enroll keypad and let's start with the codes. The first one is *pound*, #225, #*, and as you can see, this one will provide you with calendar info. Unfortunately, I do not have any account added to this device. However, if there is a Google account, Apple Calendar, whatever, you will be able to see all upcoming events from every calendar that is connected with your phone listed right here. Let me go back. Another code that you can use is *pound*, 426, #*. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can see events and status. So here you've got all data that you need to get. However, if you want to explore it a bit more, select more icon and mark advanced view. And here you've got all sort connections and so on. Let me go back. And the last code that I want to share with you today, the shortest one also is *pound, 06 pound. And here you've got device information, so email and serial number is included here as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.